Hi everyone, welcome to Careervues. I am Nancy. In this video today, I'm going to talk about performance reviews. Performance review is a very important process of an employee's life cycle. This video is definitely going to be very interesting for the people who conduct the performance reviews and also for the employees who want to understand how performance reviews are done, what is the purpose of doing performance reviews, and generally what is the process. But before I begin the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my weekly career tips. So without any further delays, let me begin the video. So the first question that arrives to our mind after hearing the term performance review is, what is the need of doing performance review? Performance reviews are done to align your goals with the business goals and how you could contribute to overall business objectives. Additionally, any of the employer needs some measurable elements to understand if the employee performance is up to their expectations. A job description is something which is very beneficial in doing the performance reviews. So as a first step, an employer defines what is the job. Job description generally mentions what would be the reporting lines, what kind of a qualification employee should possess, what are the duties and responsibilities related to this role. Some of the companies set up the measurable aspects in job description itself, but some of them define it in a performance review meeting. So three key elements of performance reviews are aligning personal goals with the business goals, defining clear job responsibilities, and the last one, providing regular feedback about employee performance. This could additionally be used in career development. And at the end, a good employee who is meeting its performance review standards can be rewarded accordingly or receive a promotion. So after understanding the clear purpose of why performance reviews are being conducted by a company, let's understand how frequently the performance reviews are done. Generally in the organization, there are maximum 4 types of performance reviews. The first review is generally conducted after first month in order to understand how the employee is doing, how well he has an understanding of the organization's process and systems. Additionally, monthly performance reviews could be very helpful for freelancers and contingent workers. If somebody is working with an organization for the short term, evaluating them after a month is crucial to business, where they are being reviewed based on their job description and their actual performance. After that comes the quarterly review. Most of the companies divide their business into 4 quarters, and a review is being conducted of how company is doing the business during all these quarters. Based on the business generation, the individual review gets impacted. For example, the sales team get their targets for different quarters. An evaluation by the department is done if the employees are meeting the targets or they are not able to meet the targets due to certain reasons. And if at all any of the employees are in need of certain assistance, they are not able to understand the process yet, they would be provided further development plans. The next type of review is mid-year review. But this is not an essential type of review that most of the organization do. Mid-year review is optional for some employees, but it's essential for certain number of departments. For example, sales. For them, having a mid-year review is very important to understand what have been their past performance, how well the targets are being met, how they are contributing to the business. Whereas for HR, mid-year review is not necessary. Instead, they have an HR audit to see if the HR is functioning properly or if there are any discrepancies in the system. So it entirely depends which department you're working on, whether you are entitled for a mid-year review or not. Now let's talk about the annual and the final review. Annual review generally comprises of a 360-degree performance. It could be your business contribution, it could be how you have been working with your co-workers, how well you get along with your supervisor, what you need to work upon, and in case you are meeting your job description responsibilities or not. Generally, after the final performance reviews, employees are entitled for certain bonuses or incentives based on their performance. On the other hand, if they have not met their targets or if they are not up to the expectations, they might be put on a performance improvement plan. I will make a separate video to discuss about the performance improvement plan, how that works. But here let's stick to the performance review only. So generally your manager conducts one-on-one meeting to do your performance review. You are being asked questions like how well you are fitting in the business environment, what are your goals that you have met, what were the reasons that helped you to contribute to the business, and if you're lacking something, what are the reasons you're lacking those qualities. If you need additional courses or trainings, the organizations generally support you to gain that. And then comes your next review to see how you have fared after all the assistance that is being provided to you. I hope this video has helped you to understand how the reviews are done, how your performance is evaluated. If you have any questions regarding performance reviews, do post those in the comments. I have made more reviews about probation, starting your first day at work, how to understand whether the company is right for you. I'll be sharing all those links in the description. Do check them out. If you've liked this video, do give us a thumbs up and stay tuned to Careervues for the next weekly video. Thank you for watching.